Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from SendGrid into Mailchimp segments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SendGrid account. Navigate to the Marketing Campaigns section on the left sidebar. Select Contacts from the drop-down menu. Locate the segments you want to export from SendGrid. Click on the segment to view the contacts it contains. Once the segment is open, look for the Export option. Choose the format you prefer for the export, usually CSV is recommended. After selecting the format, initiate the export process. Wait for the export to complete, then download the file to your computer. Next, log into your Mailchimp account. In Mailchimp, go to the Audience tab. Select All Contacts from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple audiences, choose the correct one where you want to import the contacts. Look for the Import Contacts button and click on it. Choose the Upload a CSV file option. Drag and drop your exported CSV file from SendGrid or upload it manually. Follow the prompts to map the fields from your CSV to Mailchimp. After mapping the fields, review your import settings carefully. Click on the Import button to start the process. Wait for Mailchimp to process your contacts. Once complete, verify that the contacts are correctly displayed in your Mailchimp audience. Finally, navigate to Segments to create a new segment based on your imported contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.